What structural reinforcement is needed for Davit installation? Imagine lifting a heavy boat or dinghy out of the water with confidence and safety. That's what a properly installed Davit system can do for your boat. But before you start attaching the Davit to your boat, you need to make sure the structure can handle the load. This is where reinforcement comes into play. The main idea is to strengthen the area where the Davit will be mounted so it can withstand the forces involved. When you lift a boat, the force isn't just vertical. Waves, boat movement, and wind can create side loads and dynamic stresses that put extra pressure on the mounting point. So, the deck or hull must be reinforced to handle these forces without cracking or flexing. For smaller boats, adding extra framing like beams or backing plates under the deck is usually enough. These plates spread the load over a larger area, preventing stress concentration. For larger or heavier boats, reinforcement might need to go deeper into the hull. This could mean installing additional bulkheads or stringers, which are like ribs inside the boat that add strength. Sometimes, the hull itself needs to be reinforced with thicker fiberglass layers or extra layers of material to create a solid connection point. If you're mounting the Davit on a dock or fixed platform, the foundation must be solid too. Pouring concrete footings that are sized according to the weight of the boat and Davit is essential. These footings should have enough rebar or anchor bolts to resist both vertical and sideways forces. Always follow the manufacturer's installation instructions carefully. They will specify the reinforcement needed based on the load rating of the Davit and the type of bow or structure. Ignoring these guidelines can lead to failure, which might cause damage or injury. Reinforcing the deck around the mounting points with metal or plywood plates, adding extra fasteners, and ensuring all connections are watertight are good practices. For boats used in rough seas, using high-quality materials and inspecting the reinforcement regularly is a smart move. In the end, strengthening the structure where the Davit attaches is about safety and peace of mind. Proper reinforcement ensures your boat and crew are protected when lifting or lowering heavy loads. It's always best to consult with a marine structural engineer or professional installer to get the reinforcement right for your specific boat and Davit system.